Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to deploy Google AI Studio app on Netlify. First, begin by creating your app in Google AI Studio. Make sure everything is designed, tested, and working the way you want. Once your app is ready, you'll need to save or export the code. Do this by clicking Save to GitHub and logging into your GitHub account. After your app has been uploaded to GitHub, open your Netlify account. If you don't have a Netlify account yet, you can create one for free. On the Netlify dashboard, click Add a new project. Then choose Import an existing project. Select GitHub as your Git provider and connect your account. Netlify will ask for permission to access your repositories. When everything is connected, select the repository where your Google AI Studio app is stored. Netlify will then show you the build settings. Click Deploy and Netlify will begin the deployment process. It will build your project if necessary and publish it to a live URL. After deployment finishes, you can view your site in the dashboard. You also have the option to rename the default URL or connect a custom domain if you want.